Hi. Well, I wanted to make a video and talk about why I think katydids take 17 years to come out of the ground. Now, if you could, like, subscribe, and comment. And, yeah, let's get started with this video. So, last night, around 4 a.m., I was watching about katydids, and it was on the BBC network, which is the British broadcasting channel. And, yeah, so I was watching that, and, well, this English guy, he was, talking about, how, well, how katydids live and stuff. Well, what they do, obviously, they live in the ground for 17 years, and then they pop out of the ground. And I waited till the very end of the video. He said he doesn't know why that they wait 17 years, but, well, one explanation is predators. They sense predators, and as you can hear, not see, but as you can hear them right now. They're in the woods. That's the katydids making noise, of course. Anyway, but yeah, in a couple weeks, he said, once the katydid arrives, cicada, whatever you want to call it, arrives, in a couple weeks, they'll die, and they'll start all over again, and they won't come out for another 17 years. So, but, the lifespan can be pretty long. It depends on the weather, and it can also depend on well, just, there's various ways that they could die off. So, but yeah, I would go watch that video. It's cool. I was watching a teacher talking about the life cycle of a cicada, and you could tell she was trying to do it for little kids because she had that voice, that she had a good presence for a little kid. So her name is Julia Tinker. Yeah, go check her out. Her videos are cool. She's nervous on camera. She acts a bit nervy, but she's still good at the information. So, yeah, go check her out. I'm not sure what grade she does, but I think she does kindergarten, probably. But yeah, anyway. And then I watched this little boy. He was doing the life cycle of a cicada, and it was cool. He was giving his life cycle, his view on how he sees a cicada, which is cool. That video was made 3 weeks ago, and the Julia Tinker one was made 4 weeks ago. So, but anyway, guys, it's all good. You know, not much really tell about the cicada. Cicadas are fascinating. They look like cockroaches to me, but with just red eyes. Yeah, cockroaches with red eyes. That's what they look like to me. Oh, and wings. So cockroaches with red eyes and wings. That would be an evolution, wouldn't it? For a cockroach. Because they're the same color, and they look like the same length and same width as a cockroach. To me, anyway. And by the way, this is something new. You might want to take note. There was this girl I was watching, and she was talking about how they make this noise. Well, it was interesting, actually. As far as we know, they can't harm anybody. They can't bite, pinch anybody. But obviously they can flap away, they can fly away. There's this thing in their body, because if you didn't know this, you'll probably find out something new. Cicadas are pretty much hollow in the inside, and there's this part of the body of a cicada, and I think it's called a tendrum, I think. I gotta look up the word again, but I know it starts with a T, I know that. And when it does, it acts like a drum, and it kind of like vibrates, and it makes the cicada noise, or sound, whatever you want to call it. And that's pretty cool. So, there's that. And also, another fact about the cicada that I found out last night. Now, Miss Julia Tinker, she said that they do a song, right? I'm just going to put it that way, because I don't know what kid will watch this. So, they do a song, the boy does. You would think, but it's actually the girl, right? The girl gets her wings and snaps like this. So, my fingers. You would think that the boy would be trying to impress the girl. It's actually the other way around. The girl tries to attract the boy cicada so they can do their song. So anyway, so once that happens, they get together, and the cycle pretty much just starts all over again. It starts from eggs, and then it goes to them. Yeah, just look at the cycle either on Google or go to YouTube and look up the life cycle of a cicada. So that's what it is for a cicada. Cicadas are cool looking. Like, I can't wait until the next 17 years so I can see another one. And I actually saw 2 cicadas days before this video doing their song. And I was like, wow. We can call it the Cicada song if you want to. Be classified as the Cicada song. Yep. So people, yeah. And also, see these holes? This is where they come out of. So they can come out of that hole like that. And, yeah, they climb on trees. They start climbing. So, they start doing that. And, once they do that, they start doing, let's see if I can find an example. Probably not. I don't think there's any left on the tree. Well, what they do, there's tons over here. See, look, they're all dead over here. See, what they do, well, you saw in those videos, they are on the tree, and they stay on the tree, and then they form into their adult form, their adult self. So, that's what they do. And they come out white. They look like a skeleton. That's why I called that one video Skelly Katydid, or something like that. Something similar to that title. And I'm not really seeing any more Katydids. I haven't seen any today that are alive. There's a lot around the tree, this tree especially, that are dead. But their lifespan can be short, but also they could be pretty long. It depends on what's around them. And a lot of things eat them, you know. Squirrels, chipmunks, skunks even, birds, turtles, frogs. All those animals, and much more animals, eat cicadas. And they're still living because I can hear the noise. But once that's gone, you know that there's no more cicadas. But in this area, they're all gone because I can't hear any. Now, they might be over here. Actually, they might be hanging from this leaf here. Let me see. Yeah, there's one hanging from this leaf. See? Whoa, whoa. See that? And see, it's not on a tree, but look. See? They come out of this shell. Like that. See? Turn on some lights. It's a bit dark under this leaf. See that? That's what they come under. I hear them flapping. I'll take a picture of it in a minute. But that's what happens. They come out of that hollow shell and become their adult form of the cicada. Cicadas are pretty cool. I'm not sure how fast they can fly, but I do know that they could probably fly at least 5 miles an hour, because they're really fast. Like, they fly really fast. Or 4 miles an hour or something, I don't know. Maybe 3 or 2, I'm not sure. Probably pretty low, because they're only the length of, I think Miss Tinker said, like a tree ant or something, I don't know. But, yeah, so, anyway, guys, that's going to be about it for this video. I'm going to take her in because it's hot. It's hot for me, hot for Sweetie, hot for the cicadas, probably. Unless if they have a mechanism to cool themselves down, which I highly doubt it. But yeah, pretty much, cicadas are pretty vulnerable to, like, predators and stuff. So, but anyway, guys, that's going to be about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you learned something new from this video, please let me know in the comments down below. Please hit that blue like, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Creep it out. Have a good day. If I don't, creep it out.